Batangas, 5 a.m. I am going to ride back to Manila today. And breaking news, I'm not going to go north. So this is my last day in the saddle. And it's a Sunday, which I'm very glad about because this is the leg I've been most dreading. The traffic to Manila will be terrible, but hopefully not so bad early on a Sunday morning. So, onwards.
I received 2,000.
I received 2,000. I received 500. Something you hear everywhere in the Philippines. I like it. It confirms how much money you've given somebody. What's not so good is everybody uses a calculator to do even the most basic sums. Appalling. Oi, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Just do it. Come on, enough of this. Let's get rolling. So just as I expected, even though it's a Sunday morning, the traffic is shocking along this road. It's basically 70 kilometres of a town, a very busy town, with hazards coming at you from all angles. Jeeps, buses, motorbikes, dogs, people, you name it. It's like some kind of warped game of Paperboy, if you remember that video game from the 70s. Or the 80s, I don't know. I'm still 30 kilometres from Manila, so I've covered like 75 kilometres in 4 hours. My God, it's slow going, but slow is good. It's kept me safe so far. I'm certainly not going to speed up now. So onwards, I'm nearly there, nearly there. So there we go. I've finished. I'm done. No fanfare, no welcome party. Just rack up at the hotel to be told my room's not ready yet. But I'm sorry this video today has been really grim. But my day's been really grim. It's hard to make a silk purse out of a sow's ear, so the phrase goes. But anyway, I'm done. But there will be one more video tomorrow. I can't go out on such a miserable low as this. Tune in tomorrow for a review, some of the highlights of the trip, some joy, some celebration. For now, I'm exhausted. I'm going to bed.